Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you how to change the width of an existing column in SQL Server. Currently I have a student table in my learning database. Now we are going to change the width of subject column from varchar 50 to 100. The syntax to change the width of column: alter table name, alter column name, and data type. Alter table name is student. This is the name of table. Alter column name subject varchar 100. Currently this is 50. Okay, let's execute this command. The command is executed successfully. Let's check the table. Refresh column. See here, the value has been updated from 50 to 100. Thank you for watching this video.